damn it. Come on.
It's our new DA. And you know what? I believe in our DA. I believe we're on his watch.
Shelter now inside a certain structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Elkhart, and Kosciuszko. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Elkhart County, Indiana, east central Fulton County, Indiana, Kosciuszko County, Indiana until 5:45 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging wind in excess of 65 miles per hour. These severe storms were located along the line extending from Plymouth to 10 miles south of Plymouth to 9 miles southwest of Rochester and moving. Storm has a history of producing damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Elkhart, what's that? Elkhart
warning
County.
has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Elkhart, and Kosciuszko. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Elkhart County, Indiana, east central Fulton County, Indiana, Kosciuszko County, Indiana until 5:45 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging wind in excess of 65 miles per hour. These severe storms were located along the line extending from Plymouth to 10 miles south of Plymouth to 9 miles southwest of Rochester and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations in the path of severe thunderstorms include Napanee, Warsaw, Winona Lake and Syracuse, Menton and Akron, New Paris and Milford, Pearson, North Webster and Millersburg. This storm has a history of producing damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning.
Area by the National Weather Service. Here's our local Doppler radar.